All right. We're going to talk about ordering fractions. Well, how do you order a fraction? So let's say we have fractions 1/2, 3/4, and 5/6. Let's do one more. Let's do 1/3. All right, we have 4 fractions. 1/2, 3/4, 5/6, and 1/3. How do we order them? How do we order them? Say we're going to order them least to greatest. To order a fraction, we must have a common denominator. We must have a common denominator. Remember, a common denominator is just the same bottom number. A common denominator is just the same bottom number. That's all that is. Nothing special. All right, so let's think. We have the bottom numbers of 2, 4, 6, and 3. What is a common multiple of all? Well, let's see. If I was to think about this, I have 2, 4, 6, and 3. See? 2, 4, 6, and 3. Well, what are some multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. What are some multiples of 4? 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay. What are some multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Okay. What are some multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. What is a common number that they all have? Well, they all have a 12. They all have a 12. So what could be our common denominator? 12. 12. So if I have 1/2 and I need to convert it to something over 12, how do I go from 2 to 12? What do I multiply by? Times 6. So on the top, what do I need to do? Times 6. This becomes 6/12. Okay, 3/4. I need to make that into something over 12. Well, what do I multiply 4 by to get to 12? Times 3. What do I multiply by the top? Times 3. 9/12. 9/12. Our next number was 5/6. I need to convert that to something over 12. Well, what would I multiply 6 by to get to 12? Times 2. So here, times 2, and it becomes 10/12. 10/12. And our last one was 1/3. Convert that into something over 12. Well, 3 times 4 equals 12. So I've got to do the same thing to the top, and it becomes 4/12. So that my new numbers are now 6/12, 9/12, 10/12, and 4/12. So if I'm ordering them least to greatest, which is the lowest? 6, 9, 10, or 4? 4 would be first, 6 would be second, 9 would be third, and 10 would be fourth. This is how you order fractions. 4, 6, 9, 10. I can look at only the top number because all my bottom numbers are all the same.